Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Jeff with Precision Public Adjusting. I am at Mellete Rucker's house here in Snellville, Georgia. Currently located on the front slope. Here's an overview. Today we're going to be removing a damaged shingle right here. I know the prior claim had some damage. There are a couple repairs up here, but it looks like still we have some new damage from this past claim. We're going to be removing this shingle right here. It is these 3 tabs. As you can see that this shingle ends right here, making it these 3. Here's an overview before we start of the shingles. I'm going to let you guys follow along during this repair process. Get this situated for you guys. Sorry. All right. Make sure you guys can see all the shingles that we are dealing with today. All righty, guys. Obviously, this is the damaged shingle. These 3 tabs. Well, those 2 just popped up. So looks like reason we got a lot of wind too. The sealant is failing. As you can see, these are still sealed down, but now they're unsealed. It's getting hot up on these roofs. And a nail here, guys. Look at all these. So we got a little odd nail placement here. Oh. Shingle should come out now. Yeah, bees. All right. Get over the felt, homie. Come on. What are you getting stuck on? Like what? It's too hot for this. Yeah, there it is. Oh. Alrighty, guys. Whew. Got the new shingle in place right there. Now I can turn to this slope right here. None of these shingles were affected, of course, during this repair. I can lightly rub my hand across these shingles And you do have some granule loss, very minimal, but none too drastic. Now, as you know, I had to manipulate these 2 rows of shingles here. As you can see, pretty consistent across the board. You got granule loss up at the top. Next windstorm, rain, any kind of inclement weather, it's gonna knock these loose granules off. So I can do the same motion and just lightly rub my hands across these shingles. And you can see that every single shingle during this repair has been affected in some way and damaged. You can see in the corners of all the shingles, but I'll go ahead and chalk this up for you guys. That way you guys can see it better, but I appreciate the consideration. Y'all have a good day.